When we set out to design this space, we really had to take a look at how our team would be working in the future. And it was so important to tap into their opinions and their perspectives. And we always start with a really robust discovery phase to get opinions on the team's work styles, preferences, the architectural and cultural context of the building. The level of hospitality that we purposely built into this space was something that we spent a lot of time digging into and making sure we got right. There was a social element to that really fed the culture. It's important to host clients and be on site to walk them through our work and have them feel the energy of what we do in our studio. We were able to really support different types of posture throughout the day, give the team variety, and choose how they want to work, when they want to work. We've already seen an uptick in our team wanting to be on site because it does feel really good to be together. Now celebrating 10 years in business, to be in a space that feels like us is something that I think draws the team in, draws clients in, and feels really authentic.
Our team has always loved Capitol Park. This is becoming a little epicenter of design in Detroit, and so excited to bring life to the David Stott building and really activate this space and be right in the park as well. The basement of the Chrysler House building was where our first office was, and that space was really great for the start of the business. We really wanted to transition from something that was solely focused on our team and create a client-centric space. This project really gave us the opportunity to bring together all of our core disciplines and challenge ourselves. One of our core values is curious. You can think you've landed on the solution early on, and we challenged the notion that we had the answer. As a result of that, we have created a space where our team wants to be, and it's really through the environment that we're able to be together and supported in our work.
With a full-service client, project management looks pretty standard. We take the client through consultation, conceptualization, schematic, design development. Being our own client, it looked a little bit different. We were able to work slowly, stop, revisit, redesign, spend a lot of time through schematic and design development. I think that was really a unique position to be in. It really created this space, which is a true manifestation of our team and brand.
So as you enter our space, you're met with our beautiful entryway and lounge. We were really inspired by the beautiful arched window that adds so much character to our office. This space offers a very impactful moment, and it also establishes our palette right upon entry. The lounge features a lot of neutral colors, as well as pulling in our favorite cinnamon color that we've kind of used as inspiration throughout the entire project. I'm very inspired by how we function in spaces and figuring out how to make that experience better for people. I think this project has really helped me to have kind of like a newfound sense of confidence and pride. A beautiful, thoughtful space is truly motivating, and I look forward to all the future work that we get to do in this space together as a team.
So instead of having a typical conference room, we decided to up it up a notch. We want to be able to tour people through our space and give them behind-the-scenes look at Pophouse. The design lab is dual purpose, so that way we can have presentations either at this lounge grouping or over at the table. We specifically chose this lounge seating to be able to be kind of separated. That way we can have clients in the VR headset, in their space, and then everybody else can also be within the room seeing what they're seeing as well. I feel like we really set ourselves up for success in the future. We thought about all the technology needs and kind of how we're going to be collaborating with clients.
One of our main goals was to really use our office space as a tool to showcase our work. I really wanted to show our full breadth of capabilities, from 2D, 3D to wayfinding systems. I really leaned into this idea of infusing our brand throughout the space. Usually our brand is more of a digital experience to the user, and now we have the opportunity to make this immersive experience throughout the space. Here in the kitchen, this application is more of an inset It gives this feeling of being part of the interior architecture. For the wayfinding system, they're a little bit more sophisticated and sleek and simple, and I think they need to be for their purpose. The open office is just a unique composition of the shapes and how they're interacting with each other. They incorporate more of the colors throughout the space. You really get this movement, so it kind of shimmers throughout.
We really wanted a space that was a storytelling experience for our mission, our process, our work. The library was a tricky piece for our floor plate. It was something we spent a lot of time in during space planning. It ended up with the library being in the center of the space and really creating the heart of the design studio and being a very social community space for the team to come together and foster connections. Design process is messy and it's meant to be messy. So we have drawers for all of our palettes that can be brought out, used throughout the day, but tucked away. And there's a lot of great resources locally within the Detroit community where we have reps that come in and will bring us samples and help stock our library with all of the carpet, the paint samples, the wall coverings. One thing I really took away from it was being both the client and the designer and seeing a little more of the behind the scenes on that. Being involved throughout the entire process has really allowed me to see and appreciate the passion and heart that our team has put into this project. It just feels so good as a team to know that we designed this and we built this together. Every single person on our team played a part in that. I think that's something really special.